This video will analyze the deep reasons for the iPhone frozen on lock screen won't turn off and offer you 5 practical solutions to get it fixed. Part 1. Why does my iPhone freeze on the lock screen? Possible reasons for an iPhone freezing on the passcode screen include 1. System malfunction or iOS bug. Incomplete upgrades or internal errors may cause the lock screen to freeze. 2. App conflicts. Background apps using too many resources can cause the device to become unresponsive. 3. Insufficient storage space. Low storage can slow the system, potentially freezing the lock screen. 4. Hardware issues. Physical damage, such as from drops or water exposure, can affect the touch screen or motherboard, causing the lock screen to freeze. Part 2. How to unfreeze iPhone stuck on lock screen. A few tricks below will resolve the iPhone 17 frozen on the lock screen error. You can select the way you trust most and follow the step-by-step guide. Trick 1. Ask someone to call you. If your iPhone is stuck on the lock screen and you're unable to use Face ID or enter your passcode, try having someone call you. Answering the call may switch the phone to the call screen, and the issue might resolve itself once the call ends. Trick 2. Force restart your iPhone. iPhone 8 and later models. Quickly press the volume up button, quickly press the volume down button, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 7 Plus. Press and hold the volume down button plus power button simultaneously until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 6 seconds and earlier models. Press and hold the home button plus power button simultaneously until the Apple logo appears. Trick 3. Restore iPhone via iTunes. If your iPhone remains frozen, you can try restoring it to factory settings via iTunes. This requires putting your iPhone in recovery mode, which will install the latest iOS version and fix the lock screen issue. Note that this will erase all data, so ensure you have a backup before proceeding. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to your PC and open iTunes. Step 2. Put your iPhone into recovery mode by following these steps. iPhone 8 or later, press and quickly release the volume up button, then the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side button. iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus. Press and hold both the side button and the volume down button at the same time. iPhone 6 or earlier. Press and hold both the home button and the side button simultaneously. Step 3. Keep holding the buttons until the recovery mode screen appears. Step 4. When you see the restore or update option on the iTunes window on your PC, tap restore and confirm the operation. Trick 4. Using iOS system recovery. To avoid data loss and improve success rates, iOS system recovery is a reliable solution for fixing iPhone lock screen issues. It automatically detects system problems and repairs various iOS errors without data loss, offering a fast and user-friendly method for all lock screen freezing cases. Step 1. Install and open the software on your computer. Next, connect your iPhone to the computer via a USB cable and tap More Tools iOS System Recovery on the interface to proceed. Step 2. After the program detects your iPhone issue and displays it on the screen, click the Start button to continue. Step 3. Confirm the iPhone information. If necessary, pick the correct information from the drop-down menu. Then, tap Repair to immediately repair the iPhone 17 frozen on the lock screen. Trick 5. Fix iPhone at Apple Store. If your iPhone's lock screen issue persists despite software fixes, it may be due to a hardware problem. In such cases, visit an Apple Store or authorized service provider for professional diagnostics and repairs. Avoid unofficial repairs to prevent voiding your warranty or causing further damage.